security dome camera here. We have a 12-volt power adapter, and we have our two Balums right here and the power lead, what's included with the Balun kit. Let me just pick up one of these and make you get a closer look at one. This is where you plug your Cat5 or Cat6 cable into right here. This is power. In these two terminals here, if you're installing a pan and tilt, you would put your COM for your pan and tilt here, your communications. These are the two terminals here. And here you have B and C connection right here. Okay. Let's just show you how you hook up this Cat5 or Cat6 cable to a security camera. First thing you do will connect your BNC of your balance to the video output of the camera. Okay. Then the power lead, what comes with the balance kit, just plug it in. Then the power end goes in here. Okay. Then grab your Cat5 or Cat6 cable with a RJ45 end on it and plug it in. No screws, terminals here, just plug in. Simple. That's why I like this balance. Now the other end of your Cat5 or Cat6 cable, what runs to your DVR, you plug it into the other Balun. Okay. This end plugs into your DVR. Then you just get yourself your power, plug in your power adapter here, and that's it. Quick way how to hook up video balance right there. For more information on this product, please look in the description bar below. Any questions, please comment or email us. And for more, please subscribe. Thanks, guys.